Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. I hope you all are doing well. In previous video, we have learned about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. In this video, we are going to learn index and match function. And then we will combine both index and match to work it as VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. And we'll find out what advantage we have in using index and match instead of using VLOOKUP. So let's start with the index function. This function finds the value in any specific cell after providing row number or column number, or we can provide the both things. It basically depends on the array that we are selecting, and we'll start it with equal to, then index, and select it using the tab key. Now open the function argument from here and select the first one. Now in array, if we will select only one single row or single column, then we can only provide row number or column number as alternate, and if we are selecting a cell range, then we have to provide the both row number and column number to find the value. This is our master data. Let's try to find out what is in the fifth row of the column B. So in array we will select the column B, and if we want to find out what is in the fifth row, then we will select 5 here and click OK. So in fifth row, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In fifth row we have E02832, and that's what we are getting with the index function. Now next topic is match function. Match function allows us to look for any value in master data and return with the row number or column number for that value. It is the exact opposite of the index. In index we are getting the cell value with the help of row number and column number, and in match function we will get the row number or column number with the help of cell value. Let's try using match function is equal to match. We will use the tab key to select, and let's open the function argument from here. Our first argument here is lookup value. Let's try to find out what is the row number for this employee ID or this one. Let's try it with this one. Now lookup array, we will select this one as our employee ID is here only, and match type we will use 0 to find the exact match and click OK. It's in the fifth row. Match function can only find one thing at a time, that's row or column, on the basis of your selection. If you will select the column, you can find out the row number, and if you will select the row as an array, then you can find out the column number for the thing. Now think about it. If index function gives us the exact cell value and match function can find out row number or column number for us, then we can use match function and index function together to work it as VLOOKUP. First, you have to know why we need both these formulas instead of using VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP has one disadvantage. Here we have the employee ID details. On the basis of that, if we want to calculate the full name using VLOOKUP, it will not work, because VLOOKUP can calculate, like if we have employee ID available, then VLOOKUP can calculate only the values that are on the right side of details that we have. In the same way, if we are going to find out the job title on the basis of employee ID in HLOOKUP, as the employee ID in row 4 and job title in row 3. So HLOOKUP can only find the values that are in row 4, 5, row 6 and row 7. So this is the disadvantage of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Let's start to merge the match function inside the index function to find out the full name, job title and department on the basis of the available employee IDs. So we will start it with the index function. Select it using tab key, then go to function argument, select the first one. Now that we have the function argument box here, in the array, we will select the whole data that we have or that we need. As we have the employee ID, so we have included the employee ID inside this array, and we need full name, job title and department. So we are taking that also inside the array, and we will freeze it using F4 key. Why? Because we are going to copy paste this formula in the below rows and in the columns also. Now the second argument is row number. As index function can only find out the value, that's why we have used the index function before the match function, and to find out the row number and column number we will use the match function. Let's type the match here, then bracket start, close, and click on the match inside the formula bar, and the function argument will automatically change for the match function. So for match function, as we are calculating the row number for our index function, so first lookup value, we will search this employee ID inside this column B to find out the row number for that employee ID, and all our employee IDs are in column A only. That's why we will make the column A as absolute. Just add the dollar sign before column A. Now second argument is lookup array, where we are going to search this employee ID inside this column B of the master data, and we will freeze it using F4. Then the third argument is match type. We will use 0 here to find the exact match. Now just go to the index function back by clicking here on the index in the formula bar. Now our row number is automatically calculated by the match function. Now the third argument for index function is column number. So we will use match again here. Click on the match here. Now we are going to find the column number for what? As we have the row number already in the second argument. Now in third argument we will find out the column number for the full name, job title and department. So first we will select this, and we will make the row 14 as absolute, because all our things that we need, that's full name, job title and department, are in row 14 only. Now the lookup array will be this one, because we will search these things into the master data headings, and we will find out the column number for this, like where is the full name, where is the job title and where is department, and we will freeze it using F4 key. Then match type 0, as we need the exact match. Now go back to index, all our details are completely filled here. Now click OK. Our name is here. Now just drag this down, stretch it up to here. All our things are automatically calculated. I hope you find the video helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.